It's one of those things that it's always been a personal goal of mine to get my degree.
We can't learn everything behind these closed doors of our police academy. Sometimes you got to go out there and search for and get additional training, i.e. higher education, to make you a better, well-rounded police officer.
This program is exciting because it is the very first program in the nation to offer a Bachelor of Science in Criminal Justice with an emphasis in law enforcement leadership. So we went straight to industry. We went straight to law enforcement professionals within a 100-mile radius of Dallas-Fort Worth area. And we asked them, what is it that you want to see in your employees?
Going through the program, you're going to be interacting with instructors in the program that know exactly what you go through. We have deputy chiefs in the program, we have captains in the program, we have prosecutors teaching in the program.
We've got the people with the PhD that have helped design the courses, but we've also brought in actual professionals. And so this is a program that is designed by cops for cops. So police officers have designed the curriculum, police officers are teaching the curriculum.
As a career-long law enforcement officer, I have worked those night shifts and I have worked those weekends and holidays, and so we understand the hardships that are associated with having to work these rotating shifts and go to court and do all of these things. So we've created these classes in a way that will allow you, regardless of your schedule, will allow you to attend these classes and complete your degree.
It worked well with my career. Even being a detective when I first started this course, promoting to sergeant and working midnights, it worked well. I was self-paced. My daughter and I was actually doing homework together, and they gave me the satisfaction of letting her know that you're not too old to go back to school, and when you're going back to school, you're continuous learning.
Our programs are structured in 7-week terms. Right?
You will pay a flat rate tuition of $1,000, and that includes all textbooks and fees.
And within that 7-week term, you will complete as many courses as you can. We'll always register you for 2 courses so that you're eligible for financial aid if you wish, but many of our students actually benefit from a peace officer waiver, which is a state bill in which an active duty police officer is granted a tuition waiver.
Many departments nowadays require not only just to get hired, they require a college degree, but many of those pay scale are dependent upon your education and your knowledge.
If it helps you promote, if it helps you earn more money for your family, if it improves your retirement, that's great. But ultimately, the driving force is to allow the agency, the officers, and the department to better serve the community. And that's it. I mean, that's the reason we all get out of bed every day. That's the reason we all get dressed every day. And that's the reason we all go do what we do every day.
What are you waiting on? Come on.